If at any point you're stepping on any part of your film, you have an issue. Hey guys, Albert here from Cool Window Films. Today I want to talk to you about two different methods for installing window film and why I think one of them is a lot easier than the other. I have two equal pieces of film here, same size, just to attempt to illustrate both installation methods. We have here a clean window. It's always very important, no matter what installation method you're using, you need a clean window. And on the left here, I'm going to show you guys the traditional method for installing film. Now this method works fine, nothing wrong with it, but if you are just one person, it might get a little tough to install a large window by yourself. So I removed the adhesive liner that protects the adhesive, and now the film is ready to install. Mind you, this is a small piece of film, so it wasn't that difficult for me to get it going. Once it's on there, spray it again, and you squeeze all the line off. That is a fully installed piece of film. Now, what happens? When you have a very large panel such as this, these panels are 40 square feet each, they're 9.5 feet tall, you can't use that traditional method because you're trying to, and I've seen videos on YouTube of installers trying to do it and it's hilarious. They're trying to pull the liner off and they look like ghosts, trying to hold the film up, you know, and pull the liner off. Oh, next step is you step on the liner.
And then you can step on that liner. That's a little trick that a lot of people don't know.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If at any point you're stepping on any part of your film, you have an issue. For a big piece like this, what you want to do is what's called a reverse roll, or a California roll. Let me show you how that works. When you pull the film off of the film handler, when you cut it, you actually roll it in this manner. Makes it a lot easier to work with. Spray it with some water beforehand. Spray my install area. And then I am going to split the liner. Well, as you can see, the liner is already split. This is the actual adhesive. I have the liner on the back side here. So it's a pretty cool trick that as I unroll it down, it reveals more and more of the adhesive and the liner ends up on the back side. It's actually pulling off the liner. And see, so this is much easier to manage. Put it here, hold it, just do this. There it goes right up. The liner's on this side. Just pull the liner up. Done deal. As you can see, they're both installed. The reverse roll is definitely a lot easier to manage and control than just the split and install. The split and install for a smaller window is fine, but we're going to take a look at what a larger install looks like and the reason why you need to do a reverse roll.